descriptions of human embryos in the Quran cannot be based on scientific knowledge in the 7th century. The only reasonable conclusion is that these descriptions were revealed to Muhammad, peace be upon him, by God. Now, in the following passages from the Quran, we introduce the concept of stages in human development. The first verse was the first one that was shown to me. God created man from a quintessence of clay. He then placed him as a nutfa, a droplet, in a place of settlement, firmly fixed. We make the nutfa into an alaka, a leech-like structure, and then he changed the alaka into a mudga, chewed-like substance. Then we made out of that mudga isam, skeleton, and then we clothed the bones with muscles. Then we caused him to grow, and then we came into being and attained the definitive human form. So blessed be God, the best to create. The nutfa stage, which is the initial stage, which is what in ordinary embryology we would call the zygote. The alaka, which is an Arabic word meaning a leech. This picture here, the similarity between the embryo and a leech is amazing. Human embryo is attached to the lining of the uterus, just like a leech will attach to your skin. Mudga stage, when I was asked what this meant, it says, it reminded me of an embryo at this stage. And when I was told that the mudga meant a chewed substance, I thought of the embryo here. You see these little bead-like structures, which we call somites. They are the beginning of what will be the vertebrae or the backbone. And I suggested that this chewed stage could be referring to these somites, which have the appearance of chewed substance. If you take, as I did at that time, took a piece of gum and bit into it, and you're left with these teeth marks, which looked very much like this. Now, the next stage is called the Isam stage. I was asked many times, did the bones appear before the muscles? Well, they certainly do. If you want to be logical about it, you wouldn't have muscles until you had something to attach them to. So you have bones and then the muscles. And this is clearly stated in the Quran that the bones appear first. Amazing.